Welcome to the Checkout Guide. Today I'm coming with a hidden Shopify problem that most stores completely ignore. Discount may look harmless at first, but on high value orders, they can become much bigger than expected. So, in this video, I'll show you how to fix this using Next Discount app. So, if you're new to this channel, please subscribe, like, share, comment, and press the bell icon. Let's get started. First, we can go to the store. Then here we can see what's the problem is. So next go to the product section. Here click on any product. So here I add some quantity and click on add to cart. Then go to the cart, click on cart icon. Here the total amount is $6,000. So suppose I give 10% as offer. The discount value the customer will get as $600. So it is the big amount they get. So it will very close to the store. The profit is reducing. So that to fix this properly, we can use the Next Discount app to add a discount cap. So that go to the Shopify admin dashboard. Then here in app section, click on Next Discount. Then click on Create New Discount. Here give a discount code. Here I give Smart 10. Then discount value as percentage, I give 10%. Then this is the capping amount. This is very important settings. That is most store ignore this. The capping amount limit the maximum discount customer can receive. No matter how large the order become, it will stop at the amount we given here. Here I give $100, so it will stop at 100. Now discount apply for all product. Then now minimum purchase requirement, eligibility for all customer. Here maximum discount users, here you can choose. Here I choose this. Now we can set the date, start date to the end date. Okay, now this product discount can be combined with, here I choose all. Then it will appear on all this section. Now that's it. Click on save. Okay, it has been saved. Now we can go to the cart and here it is now 6,000. When we applying 10% off, it will actually save $600. So now let's see how much it saved. 10, give the code here and click on apply. Okay, it only save $100 because we here give the capping amount as $100. So it limit the discount value. So that's it. So small Shopify setting like this can prevent massive discount losses during sales campaign. So before running your next offer, make sure your discount are properly capped. So by giving here the capping amount. Okay, that's it. If you like this video, please subscribe, like, share, comment, and press the bell icon. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.